So today we start the first lesson, that is a chemical reaction. What is a chemical reaction? The chemical reaction may be defined as the change takes place in it. For example, if we put the milk, sometimes it may become sour. That is an example of chemical reaction. And in chemical reactions are associated with the chemical change. In physical change, there is no change takes place. In physical change, no new substance is formed, and in chemical change, new substance. Chemical reactions are associated with the chemical change. Whenever a chemical change occurs, chemical reaction is said to take place. Chemical reactions are usually irreversible, and new product is formed. What is the meaning of here irreversible? Irreversible means the reaction in which does not takes place in the backward direction, that takes place only in the forward direction, not go in the backward direction. These are the chemical reactions. Then the signs of the chemical reaction, there are 5 main signs that indicate the chemical reaction as takes place: change in color, evolution of a gas, change in temperature, and change in the state. There are the some reactions in which taste may also change. For example, the souring of the milk. Souring of the milk. Then after that, what is the chemical equation? The symbolic representation of a chemical reaction is called chemical equation. A word equation describes the chemical change using the names of the reactant and product. Write the word equation for the reaction of a methane gas with oxygen gas to form carbon dioxide and methane. Its symbol is CH4 plus oxygen O2 and carbon dioxide CO2 plus water. Methane and oxygen are reactant and carbon dioxide and water are its product. These are the chemical reactions that takes place. Chemical equation, the simplest form of description of a chemical reaction in which the shorter form is writing again. That is, I am telling you simplest form of description of a chemical reaction in shorter form is by writing in the form of an equation. For example, magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium oxide. Here the first activity in your book also given, that what would happen if the magnesium ribbon is burned in the presence of the air. In the presence of air, it combined with the oxygen and would ash like substance, बिल्कुल white substance सा बनेगा, और magnesium ribbon burned with the flow of a flame, that is glowing flame. You can see it easily. The reactant are written on the left side and product is written on the right side. An arrow is placed between them to allow the direction of the reaction. तो इसमें arrow है, वो reaction की direction को show करता है. It shows the direction of the equation. Then characteristic of a chemical equation. The equation must represent the known facts. The equation must contain the correct formula for the reactant and the product. तो इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि वो reactant और product के right formulas लिखे हैं. Law of conservation of mass must be satisfied with it. Law of conservation of mass must be satisfied with it. Showing phases in a chemical equation. For example, water, solid, liquid and gas. Solid phase, the substance is relatively rigid and has a definite volume of the shape, for example in sodium chloride. And liquid phase, the substance has a definite volume but is able to change shape by flowing water. And gaseous phase, the substance has no definite volume or shape and it shows the little response to the gravity. These are the phases of the solid, liquid and gas. Balanced chemical equation. As you know, according to law of conservation of mass, the mass may be equal to the reactant and product. On the basis of this, we can balance the chemical. In a balanced chemical equation, the number of atoms is equal in reactant as well as in product. According to law of conservation of mass, the total mass must be equal to both the sides of the equation. This type of equation is known as balanced chemical equation. For example, magnesium plus oxygen is equal to magnesium oxide. Two magnesium atoms and in product also the 2 magnesium oxide are written. Here both the side have 2 atoms of magnesium and 2 atoms of the oxygen. So it is a balanced chemical equation. Unbalanced and balanced equation. In the first, hydrogen plus chlorine is equal to HCl. That is unbalanced because in the first equation here the 2 atoms of the hydrogen, 2 are chlorine, and here the 1 atom of the hydrogen and 1 is of chlorine. Therefore, the balance go in the one side. Therefore, it is unbalanced. And in balanced equation, 2 atom of hydrogen and 2 of chlorine. And next is equal to 2 hydrogen chloride, 2 HCl are formed. Therefore, the reactant and product are equal. Hydrogen 2 atom, chlorine 2 atom. Therefore, reactant and product are in equal side. In another example, I have also taken methane plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide plus water. Yes, I am telling you about the balanced equations. That is another example that of methane plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide plus water. Here the reactant of the methane are 1 carbon atom, 4 hydrogen atom and 4 oxygen atoms. In reactant side you can see, and in product side 1 carbon atom, 4 hydrogen atom and 4 oxygen. So it is a balanced chemical equation. Visualizing the chemical equation, for example, sodium plus chlorine is equal to sodium chloride. Here the molecules of the sodium, 2 sodium molecule and 1 chlorine molecule, and after that 2 sodium chloride molecules are present. Here they have also written in the form of the mole, and the 10 mole of the sodium chloride are formed. If the 10 mole of sodium are taken and 5 mole of the chlorine are taken, then ultimately the sodium chloride is formed. Types of the chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are of following 5 types: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and redox reaction. तो इन सब को टाइप्स ऑफ रिएक्शन जब हमने करनी है तो कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन एज द नेम इंडिकेट्स, सो A plus B is equal to A. Decomposition reaction, AB is decomposed into A plus B, and single displacement reaction A plus B C is equal to AC plus B. इसमें एक प्रोडक्ट डिस्प्लेस कर रहा है दूसरे को, और डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन AB plus CD is equal to AD plus CD is equal to AD plus CD. These are the types of the reactions